bent it back right there, but... Okay. Ready? Okay, you gotta help Mommy. Hold on to it. Okay, put it in the die. Wow.
Put it
Now
back
keep
down.
it in there.
Keep it in there. Keep it in there.
Look at Mommy's fingers. They're yellow. Mommy will help you. Come on. So let's get this out. What color is it?
Say orange.
Good job. Look at the camera. Say, I love you, Uncle. Say, mwah. Mwah. You want to count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
11, 12,
13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
High five. Good job. That's my girl.
Yeah,
You want to check it?
You know what St. Patrick's Day on.
Let's check it. That's beautiful orange. You want to make it go longer so it can get darker? Okay, let's put it back. We're going to count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You ready? Say, Titi, what are you doing? Doing? What color is this egg?
Orange.
Good job. Okay, we're going to put it over here with the other one.
What color you want to do now?
Purple.
Purple? We can make a purple. Say, come on, Dad.
Come on, Dad.
Say, get some pink.